Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Innogie. This is from their Air Series external batteries. It's their 4600 milliamp Air Series external battery. You can check it out for an awesome price on Amazon at the time of this review for $16.99. I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. Let's get into it now. So once you get everything unboxed, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get, obviously, the unit itself here, but we'll go over this little user manual that Innogie puts out. If you want to check out Innogie, go visit them on www.innogie.net. They have plenty of other projects. I've done some other reviews on some of their power banks, and this one is very, very slim and compact. There are some parameters here. I'll leave these up if you guys want to freeze the video and you can check it out. But what we're looking at here is the input is a DC 5 volt 2 amp. The output is a DC 5 volt 2.1 amp. And this is a really slim power bank, only weighing it at 123 grams. So if you're looking for something super compact, this is what you're going to get. It's got a couple lights on it that will come in handy for showing you whether you have enough juice left in your power bank or need to recharge it. Hold on to this. It's got some good information in it. Again, you can go to innogie.net and check out their website. Now, they give you this little short cable here. This is a standard USB to micro USB cable for recharging the actual power bank itself. Now, this power bank takes about 5 hours to totally recharge at 5 volts, 2 amps. I did some testing on this, and it worked out really great with my Note 8. It'll fully recharge my Note 8 and have a little bit of power left over. Let's take a look at the actual design here. It's an anodized aluminum shell all around, as you can see, and it's super slim. It's got the Innogie logo, and that's pretty much it. As you can see it in my hand, it's super small and compact. This would easily fit in a pocket or something like that. You've only got one single 5 volt, a 2.1 amp output, and your input there for recharging, which is that standard micro USB. So you can use any cable that you would like to. There's really not a lot of other things as far as design-wise going on outside of this. So it's very sleek, very minimalistic as far as design. And as you can see, there's my Note 8. And if we put this on top of my Note 8, you can see how small this power pack really is. It's thinner than the Note 8. Even with out a case, it's thinner than the Note 8. So this is a super slim, very pocketable, or if you're a woman, you've got a purse, easy to put in your purse. It's something that would be super easy to keep in your glove compartment in your car, that type of thing. Works really, really well for what it does, and it's super compact. And it's only $16.99, so the price point is definitely there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a USB Type-C because that's what I need to charge my particular phone. And when you plug it in, you'll see that the lights come up. Now, there are 3 of these lights. It's about 33%, 66%, and then 100%. So I'm somewhere between 66 and 100% at this point with the 2 lights. And it automatically will, without being plugged into anything, show you those lights. So as soon as you plug a cable in, you'll get those lights activated for you. And they're not too bright or anything like that, so that's awesome. Plugging it in to my Note 8, super simple with USB Type-C. We are charging. I'm at 99% anyway right now. And we're only cable charging. We're not going to get fast charge with this. Again, this is $16.99, so that's fine. I don't have any problems with not having fast charging for the price point that they're asking for. Plus, the build quality really makes up for it as well. Again, testing this with my Note 8, I was able to recharge the entire phone and still have a little bit left over in something so small and compact, as you can see again next to the phone. So overall, I think they did a really, really nice job on the Air series here, being slim and compact, having enough power to fully recharge my phone if I need to and I'm away from a wall outlet. This thing is great for doing all of that. I like the anodized aluminum. I like the fact that they've got some LED indicators to let you know how much charge you have left. The overall design of this is just really, really nice for the price. I mean, when you're talking under $20, you're getting something that can totally refresh your phone's battery. I think Innogie has a winner here, especially for the price point, coupled with the fact that it has a really, really solid build quality. So that's my review there of the Innogie Air Series 4600 milliamp power bank. Let's take it to the end of the review. So there you have it. That's my review of the Innogie 4600 milliamp Air Series external battery. I think for $16.99 and the awesome build quality that this thing has, it's definitely worth it if you're looking for just a power bank to back up your phone. Easily pocketable, easily kept in your car glove compartment, stuff like that. Great aluminum build quality on this as well. And they also offer a 2-year warranty on this. Go check them out at www.innogie.net. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video. Sunny day.